Okay, welcome to the Level 8 multiplication video. In Level 8, we're going to take a look at problems where we have 3 digits in our multiplicand times 1 multiplier digit. As always, you can download the attached PDF to follow along. So like we did in Level 9, we will need to predetermine our starting rod, which we do simply by adding the number of multiplicand digits plus the number of multiplier digits. So let's go ahead and jump into a first problem here, 258 times 9. So first thing I do is I choose my unit rod, and I'll choose it here, and then I count off 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be my starting rod location. So I'm going to multiply left to right, so I multiply 9 times 2, which is the first digit of the multiplicand. 9 times 2 is 18. I simply enter 18. I move 1 rod to the right, and I'm going to now multiply 9 times the second multiplicand digit 5. 9 times 5 is 45. So to add 45, I add 1, subtract 4's 10 pairs 6, and add 5. Okay, so now we're going to continue on to the third digit by moving again 1 rod to the right, and now we multiply 9 times 8, which is 72, and to add 72 we add 1 to the next rod left and subtract 7's 10 pair 3 in the form of a 5 pair, and then add the 2, and we have a final answer of 2,322. So hopefully that was a pretty straightforward problem for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at a second problem. Here we have 385 times 7. So again, I will count off 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to find my starting rod. And I'm going to multiply 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay, now I'm going to move 1 rod to the right, and I'm going to multiply 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. Okay, and then finally we will multiply 7 times 5, which is 35, and we add 35 just directly on the Sorbonne like that, and now we have our answer of 2,695. So that one was really straightforward. Let's go ahead and take a look at one final example. And here we have 927 times 6. Again, I'll count off 4 from the unit rod, 1, 2, 3, 4 for my starting location. So 6 times 9 is 54. Okay. Then I'm going to move 1 rod to the right and multiply 6 times 2, which is 12. Okay, I add 12 to the Sorbonne. And then finally, I'm going to move 1 more rod right and do 6 times 7, which is 42. That's a 5 pair, add my 2, and here I have a final answer of 5,562. So as you can see, once you get your multiplication facts committed to memory, multiplication on the Sorbonne is pretty straightforward. So good luck and keep practicing.